Going through breast cancer was one of the toughest times in my life. I am from Squamish Nation and Heshquet First Nation. My life has revolved around being a mother, my career. I have always felt like I have my life together until my whole world was pulled from under me. I didn't work and I was heavy into debt. I felt a bit of shame having all of that debt.
Paula didn't need judgment. What she needed was help and advice to get back on track.
I'm learning something from her every time that we have a meeting.
I want CIBC to be considered a safe place to share.
She was more of a life coach to me than a financial advisor. I am now financially healthy. I now have some great savings and a few investment properties. And Paula has been a big part of that journey.